Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about Pew Pew cleaning. Now, I'm going to have to talk in code on this one because this one doesn't exactly fall in with somebody's idea of certain standards and stuff. So bear with me here as we get to it. But before we jump in there, I just want to remind everybody, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's the time to do it. Click that little red button down there. Alrighty, so folks, what I'm talking about here when I'm saying Pew Pew cleaning, I'm talking about taking care of your powered projectile tools, or as they're saying, they like saying on Facebook, on the Facebook mimes, this now identifies as a cordless hole puncher. All right. It's hunting season is already started for some of you. Others, it's just kicking off. So before you go out there, make sure your hunting tool is totally cleaned up, gone over it. Make sure everything's working fine on it. Make sure you have plenty of cleaning supplies for it. Whether you're using Hoppy's number 9, CLP, or any of the other products that are out there to clean and lubricate and getting your cordless hole puncher in tip-top shape. Make sure you have plenty of it, and make sure you do it often. Every time you go out there punching holes, when you come back, you need to clean it up and make sure it's all ready to go the next time. All right? So I'm trying to dance around about saying it. I hope you're smart enough. You should be smart enough. You're listening to me already, so you should be smart enough to realize what it is I'm talking about. So as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, getting all your food and gear in prep, so you're ready for no matter what life throws at you. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.